to my show.
Hey there, hi there, and hello there, and welcome to the show. Today we're going to be going over
McDonald's toys.
Oh, McDonald's toys. What other toys? New toys, old toys, and blind bags, and we'll see what else we have.
Yeah.
Should we begin?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Right here we have SpiderMan, and he's ready to web you. Oh, you got him. He's so tall. Look how big he is. Oh, you got him again.
You know I have Iron Man's power.
Oh, all right. He's gonna get you. Oh, and he's down for the count. And right here we have, who's this guy?
No idea.
I don't know who he is. I forget his name. I think he's from an older cartoon. But he has a little tail. Look at that tail.
Hey, I think when I'm older, I'm gonna watch that show.
We gotta find out what this show is. So if you know what show this guy is from,
Please comment down below.
comment below.
And he's trying to fight me, isn't he?
Uh-oh, he's coming to get you. Oh, you got him again with your web. Then we have this little guy.
Hey, you trying ready to fight me?
Oh, you got him again? So who's this guy? This one? Okay, well, that's good. So, oh, you're webbing him too? If you know who this little guy is, comment down below. Boom. This little guy. He's ready to maybe do a little dance.
Are you ready to fight me again?
Oh, is he a fighter too?
Yes.
Ha! Ha! Oh. All right, well, if you know who that guy is, comment down below. Well, we know who this guy is.
Blue Venom.
This is Venom.
You know he's a monster Venom?
Oh, is he?
You don't know why he has his tongue out or anything?
Oh. Is he friends with Spider-Man?
No.
Are they besties?
Who?
Him and Spider-Man?
I said no.
Oh.
They're besties with Venom.
Oh. Yeah, get out of here, Spider-Man.
You know his name is not Spider-Man. You know it's Venom.
Oh, well, I was talking to Spider-Man over there. Ha ha ha. I'm over here today. All right, well, who do we have here?
I have no idea, but he's a pirate.
He's a blue pirate. Looks like a squid or an octopus. Arrgh. He has a little sword. Oh, I know who this is, though.
Robin.
This is Robin. Well, I'm going to put him over there. Oh, good job. All right. Here we have the Rugrats movie.
Are you sure? Have you watched that before?
A long time ago, I think. Should we open it up?
Is that a frog thing or what?
Looks like a big lizard.
It's a big lizard.
All right, so this is him right here. A little lizard, right? He's pretty cool.
Yeah.
He's gonna get you. Nom, 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 nom. Scoot him around like that.
Hey, look how many you can. Are you gonna make him fall off the cliff?
Yep. Boom.
You're gonna make him.
So right here we have a little car, and if you push him back, then he goes around like that. Whoa! And here we have a Zoom Zoom mystery pack, Marvels. All right, I'm going for Iron Man.
Who is that guy?
Oh,
Is that Vision?
looks like Vision.
Hey, that's who I wanted to get.
And his little house that he goes in. Like that. Boom. Put him over there. That's pretty cool. You like that?
Yeah.
Next one, we have a vintage Muppet from Space, Kermit.
Who's Kermit?
This guy. He's a little keychain. You could take him wherever you want.
How squishy is he?
He's not that squishy. He's like a stuffed animal. He's green.
Who? What?
I'm Kermit, yeah! Is that what he sounds like?
I haven't watched the show, so you can make.
Well, it's a movie, so maybe we can watch the movie. From Muppets. Was it Muppets from Space? And last but not least, we have a Despicable Me Minis. Which one are we gonna get? Which one are we going to get?
Which one do you want to get?
I don't know.
That group one?
Just not a duplicate.
Hey, why is it coming in a blind bag this time?
It's a minion with a chainsaw. Is that what it sounds like? A chainsaw?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I hope so. Well, he's pretty cool. He's a little squishy, but he's pretty cool. Okay, and that's it for our video. Thanks for watching and come back soon. Goodbye. Subscribe.